Hello and welcome back to my fourth cocktail tutorial. If you're new to the channel, my name is Reswell and today I'll be showing you how to make 5 easy tequila based cocktails that you can do at home. So today's first cocktail is going to be a Tequila Sunrise. It's based with tequila, orange juice and grenadine. So let's get started. Take your hurricane glass. If you don't have a hurricane glass, you can take any glass that you have at home. So fill it with ice. You can use any preferred tequila that you want to use, but I'll be using Toro Logo. And so let's go. Take your 60 ml of tequila. Top it up with orange juice. And then give it a drizzle with a grenadine. To complete the drink, all you need is a garnish. So I'll be garnishing with a slice of an orange with a cherry, or you can use a lime, half a lime, half a orange. There you go, cheers, that's your Tequila Sunrise. Wow, that's quite strong. You gotta try this. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's a Bloody Maria. It's the same as Bloody Mary, but in this we are going to substitute it with tequila. So take your highball, fill it with ice. Again, you need to add 60 ml of tequila. $15 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. Worcester sauce, a dash or two. Tabasco according to your preference for the spice. I'll be using 2 to 3 dash. And top it up with tomato juice. Add a pinch of salt and pepper. To complete your drink, all you need is a garnish. So you can use a lime wheel, celery stick, or half a lime or whatever you want. So I'll be using a lime wheel. And there you go. Cheers. That's a Bloody Maria. Wow. This is the same as the Bloody Mary, but it's a unique as it has tequila in it. So you got to try this. Cheers. Moving on to the third cocktail, that's AGRESOR. I don't think if you guys have heard it. If you have heard it, drop me a comment below. Let me know about this. So this cocktail is based with tequila, simple syrup, freshly squeezed lime juice and apple juice. So let's get started. So take your champagne flute, or if you don't have this glass, you can use any glass at home. Keep it aside. Take your shaker, fill it with ice. In this you need to add 30 ml of tequila. $15 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. 15 ml of simple syrup. Give it a nice shake. Strain this in the champagne flute. And all you need is to top up with apple juice. To complete a drink, all you need is a garnish. So I'll be going with an apple and a cherry. Just put it in the glass. And that's your El Agresor. Cheers. Moving on to the next cocktail. That's Manhattan Goes Hollywood. For me, it's new. Let me know if you have heard about this. Drop me a comment below and let me know about this cocktail. So let's get started. Take your raw glass. If you don't have this glass, you can use any glass that you want at home. So keep it aside. All you need is take a shaker, fill it with ice. Add 90 ml of the gold tequila. You can use any preferred tequila you want when it comes to the gold color. So I'll be using Suze Cueros, so you can use anyone. So let's go. Let's get started. All you need is 90 ml of tequila. So that's going to be strong. Wow, that's something. A teaspoon of maple syrup. And 4 dash of orange bitters. Take your bar spoon and give it a stir. Take a large cube of ice, put it in the glass. And make sure you pour everything over it. To complete a drink, all you need is a garnish. I'll be using orange zest, or you can use orange peel, so whichever one you like. So let's go with the orange zest. There you go. That's your Manhattan Goes Hollywood. Wow. This is so cool. Guys, it's really strong and it's got a unique flavor of maple syrup and the orange bitters. You gotta try this. Cheers. Moving on to the next cocktail, that's Tequila Sawa. Well, this cocktail is based with tequila, simple syrup and freshly squeezed lime juice. So take your raw glass, keep it aside, take your shaker, fill it with ice, add 60 ml of tequila, $50 ml of simple syrup, $50 ml of freshly squeezed lime juice, take your shaker and give it a nice vigorous shake. You don't need a strainer, just directly pour it in the glass. To garnish a drink, all you need is a lime wheel or a lime wedge. So use whichever one you like. So I'll be going with a lime wedge. You can directly put it in the glass or just put it over the rim. So I'll just drop it in the glass and well, there you go. That's a Tequila Sawa. Wow, this is amazing. You gotta try this, guys. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And please don't forget to drop me a comment below if you have any questions or any cocktails that you want me to do. So just drop me a comment below. And yeah, thanks for now. And cheers. Until next time.